Join the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hand and shake your legs. Keep your chest upright and straight. Gradually stop and bring the feet flat on the ground. Bring the hand back. Bend the knee one side, back to the center and to the other side. Or you can bring your hands at the heart center. Keep the breathing normal. And bring the right leg on the left knee. Hands by the side of the buttocks and lift your hips up. Head back. Exhale down. Bring the leg slightly closer to give extra stretch onto your right hip and right thigh. Release. Change the leg. Left leg onto the right thigh. Inhale. Lift your hips up. Head back. Exhale down. Bring the foot slightly closer. Exhale, release, and bring the left leg on the back and drop the leg down like this and stand up onto your knees. Exhale down. Switch to the other side. Inhale. Exhale down. Other side. Inhale. Exhale down. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Then bring the right knee forward, left leg back for pigeon. If your hip doesn't touch on the ground, it's okay. Keep the hips off the ground. Take the support of your hand and try go slightly down to give more stretch onto your hip. If you can press your hip on the ground already, then it's good. Come back and switch the leg. Left foot goes forward. Right leg goes back. See if you can bring your hip on the ground, slowly, slowly stretching. Good, come back and bring the right leg on the top of the left knee, cow pose. Bring the hand onto your foot, press the foot down with your hands, chest up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come back. Change your leg. Right leg goes under, left leg on top. Press with hands, your feet, chest up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale up. Bring the feet flat on the ground and lift the leg on the 90-degree up. See if you can hold your big toe. Keep your chest up and stretch. Try to stretch as much as is possible in your body. Stretch, stretch, keep it stretching, balancing onto your hips, onto your sitting bones, back straight. Exhale, release. Squat. Stand up slightly. Hands at the heart center. And try to bring your knee near the left foot. Back. Left knee near the right foot. Do that about 3 times each side. Slower or faster depends on your body. And then hold. Exhale, release. Sit down and relax. Namaste.